A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are here to tell you about a love spell, very powerful love spell because of people's demand. We are getting lots of calls and the people are demanding from us to make a love spell, very accurate love spell because they try a lots of love spells from the different of peoples but they didn't get results. So today we are here to tell you about love spell that will work 100%, and this spell is only for to get your ex love back, to get your ex husband back, to ex your fiance back, the person that you want to get married with you, how far he is or she is living from you, it doesn't matter for this spell because this spell will attract your lover in just 2 days. With this spell, lover will contact you and he will trying to get you as soon as possible, and he will trying to get contact with you instant. So this is very powerful, accurate and immediate giving result spell. To start this spell you have to know about the name of that person. Like for example, her name is Tom. You have to write here the name of your lover. It's Tom, and he is 29 years old and he is living from US. And after that you have to write, make a plus sign, and after you have to write your name, like your name is Sam and your age is 32. And after that you have to leave some place you have to make a secure box of this name, and you have to write magical words Abu, Vadu, Itram, Abu. Or here the same words Abu, Vadu, Itram, and Abu. After you have to write these words, you can show here, I can show you here, and after that you have to fold it like this, and you have to keep this paper with you for 2 days only. For 2 days only. In just 2 days your lover, your ex-husband, your fiance that don't want to get married with you at the moment, he will contact you instant and he or she will you propose you for a marriage, and he will be with you for whole life, and they will not go far away from you from his whole life or his whole life. For this spell you have to give your whole concentration while doing this spell to this spell. And one more thing, no one should see you while doing this spell because this is very private spell. If someone disturb you, if someone interrupts you, this will not work. So make sure you are alone at home, or you are alone at that place there you are doing this spell, because this is very private spell. Forget love back. Thank you.